Welcome to this tutorial on the $error variable in PowerShell. In this video, you'll learn how to access and work with PowerShell's error history collection. The $error variable is one of the most powerful tools for understanding what went wrong in your scripts and troubleshooting issues effectively. Let's dive in and explore how this automatic variable can help you become a better PowerShell developer. The $error variable is an automatic variable built into PowerShell. It stores an array of error objects that represent the most recent errors that have occurred in your current PowerShell session. Think of it as a history log that PowerShell maintains automatically. Every time an error occurs, PowerShell adds it to this collection, giving you the ability to review, analyze, and debug problems even after they've happened. Let's look at the key characteristics of the $error variable. First, it's an array collection that stores errors in index positions, with the newest errors appearing first. Second, it has a maximum capacity of 256 error records by default. Third, it persists throughout your entire PowerShell session, so you can reference errors from earlier in your work. Finally, it uses a zero-based index, meaning the most recent error is always at position 0. To access the most recent error that occurred in your session, you use $error followed by square brackets with 0 inside. This returns the most recent error object from the collection. This is probably the most common way you'll interact with the $error variable, as you often want to investigate the last thing that went wrong in your script or command. Here are some common patterns for accessing errors. To view the total number of errors in your session, use $error.count. To get the last 5 errors, use $error with square brackets containing 0.4, which is PowerShell's range operator. To view all errors in the collection, simply type $error. These patterns give you flexibility in how you review your error history. Error objects contain detailed information through their properties. To get the error message, access $0.exception.message. For category information about the error type, use $0.categoryinfo. To get details about where and how the error was invoked, use $0.invocationinfo. These properties help you understand not just what went wrong, but also where and why. You can manage the error collection in several ways. To clear all errors from the collection, use $error.clear with parentheses. To remove a specific error, such as the most recent one, use $error.removeAt with 0 in parentheses. You can also change the maximum number of errors PowerShell stores by setting the $maximum error count variable to a different value, such as 512. Let's wrap up with some best practices. Always check $error.count before accessing errors to avoid index out-of-range issues. Clear errors regularly in long-running sessions to prevent memory buildup and keep your error log relevant. Save important errors to variables before clearing the collection if you need to reference them later. Finally, use the error action parameter in your commands to control which errors populate the collection. Following these practices will help you use the $error variable effectively in your PowerShell workflows.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.